Hello, I'm Dan Hinkson with Summit Builders Group. I'm in a hospital this evening. We were called in by the owners to help them remedy and prevent problems. They'd had some moisture issues, particularly around the columns. They'd cut around the sheetrock, as you can see, and we sealed up all the inaccessible areas to where there is a sealant. Actually, there's also an air barrier, but it encapsulates that problematic area, and it also creates an air barrier as well. Our sealant from Sealant Technologies is a high-density two-part sealant, has an antimicrobial in it that really goes the extra mile. It's something that is patented, and we're real proud of it, but it really works well. As you can see, we've encapsulated from the sheathing, the studs, all the exposed edges of the sheetrock to where that whole problem area, that they removed the vast majority, all that they could, without short of tearing the brick off the outside. We've just isolated that with a full envelope.